Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a craft for the letter P. We are going to make a parrot. To start out, you need a quarter piece of red paper. I'm making 2 letter P's, so I'm going to fold half a paper in half and then cut out 2 P's at once. I'm going to start out by folding the quarter in half, and then I'm going to cut out a shape like this. After that, I'm going to cut out the inside of the P and then curve the front of the P. Now I have 2 P's because I used half a piece of paper. I'm just going to cut them apart. Now I have 2, one for me and one for my friend. Next, I'm going to cut the beak out of a piece of yellow paper. Then I'm going to use some colored paper to make the feathers. Now that I have the feathers, the beak, and a googly eye, I am ready to start. We can always use some ready-made dyed feathers just to add some fun. Hello my friend.
Hi.
Today we're going to learn about the letter P. Do you know any words that start with the letter P?
Pizza, peanut butter, park, and peacock.
Very good. Do you know any other birds that start with the letter P?
Parrot.
Exactly. And that is what we're going to make today. We are going to make a parrot. We're going to make the body of the parrot out of the letter P. What color is the body?
It's red.
Exactly. Now we're going to add this. Do you know what this is called?
This is called the parrot's beak.
Very good. Then we're going to add eyes. Now, what do we need to add?
We need to add the parrot's feathers.
Very good. What color feathers do you think we should use?
We should use all kinds of feathers because parrots have different types of colors.
Very good. I'm going to use all of these pretty colors to make our parrot. We can make it even prettier by adding real feathers. We're going to glue the feathers onto the parrot. Now we're going to write the word parrot on top. Do you know how to spell parrot?
Yes, Parrot.
Good job. Now we're going to practice writing an uppercase and lowercase p at the bottom. Good job. Thank you for making the letter P with me.
It was really fun. I love making crafts with you.